Want to know how to add silence to your tracks in Audacity? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Audacity application. And we have also created a video on how to install and set up Audacity, so make sure to watch it. Now, once you've done all of that, here you should be seeing your project right here if you have imported any. So make sure you select an empty part of the project and not the project itself. Do not select the entire project or it will just replace it with the silence. So once you selected the empty timeline, just simply hit towards generate right here on top navigation bar, and here you should be seeing silence. Just simply select it, and now you can just simply select the duration as you want. So I'm just going to keep it short, that is just 15 seconds right here, and then select generate right here. And once that is done, here you can see our silence has been generated successfully. And that's it. This is great for adding some pauses or just simply silence that might help sometimes in audio editing. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.